Hello. Okay, next PO Box video. In these videos, as some of you guys know, I open some of the fabulous fluffy mail that you guys send me. Sometimes I get letters, sometimes I get like postcards, other times I get like fan art, sometimes I even get like boxes filled with stuff and just wonderful little things, which is absolutely wonderful. But please know, I'm so happy with anything you guys send me. You don't have to send me like a box of things, which is wonderful. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's lovely when I get stuff like that. But I really do love like even just a letter, so please bear that in mind. I also like to point out whenever I do these PO Box videos that the way I sort my mail is I literally just get the random boxes that I have full of PO Box mail because I always get so much mail. I'm so lucky for that. And to make it fair, so it's not in like a chronological order, to make sure it's all mixed up at random times and whatnot, I literally go in with my eyes closed, mix and match and grab a few things for each video. So that way it's fair. So some people that might have sent me things a few weeks or a few months ago is mixed up with some of the newer stuff, and that way everyone gets their stuff shown. Which leads me on to my next point. Please don't get upset if your letters aren't included in this video or any video that's been before this. I'm going to be doing these videos for a very long time. I really love doing my PO Box videos. And I always do the same process, so there's a very strong chance that your stuff might be in the next video, so just keep watching these videos and eventually your stuff will turn up, I promise. Until then, I'm going to keep closing my eyes, grabbing things at random and then just showing them on camera as I get them. So I hope that's okay. So what I'll do is, as always, I'll flash somewhere on the screen now my PO Box address, just in case you guys wanted to send me anything. You never know, it might be in the next PO Box video. So yeah, with all that said, let's open some mail. So the first letter we have here, I'm just going to cover up the address there. Bam. Let's have a look-see who this is from. Oh, hello. Hang on. We have a lot of stickers falling out of this. Oh, wow. Okay, so we have a letter first. Let's read that. So, dear PinkStylist, aka Charlie, I'm a 23-year-old girl from Norway. Oh, fabulous. I've been watching your vids for a really long time and I can't thank you enough for all the motivation and happiness through your makeup tutorials. Oh, bless your heart. Thank you so much for making me smile and motivate when I am down. Love from Linda, aka Chi, or Chai, depending on that. I'm really sorry I butcher names, you guys know that. You inspire people. Oh, you sweetheart, thank you so much. Okay, so hang on, we have a drawing here, it looks like. Let's have a look. Oh, wow, hello. Bloody hell, that's really clever. Check this out. Isn't that clever? So it's me, and it's me as my smiley makeup. That's insane. Thank you so much. Isn't that really clever? And we also have a really, really super cute picture of a kitty nomming on a finger, which is too cute for words. Look at that. I love you. Oh, that's too adorable. Okay, so we also have a Hello Kitty, which opens up, I think. Oh, hello. Thank you for changing my life and helping me live my dream. Love you, Charlie. Oh, you sweetheart. I'm so glad I could help in any way. But look. Oh, you are so sweet to send me this. And oh, hang on, we've got some more yet. So we have, it looks like a Pog. Do you guys remember Pogs? I'm showing my age a bit here, but so it looks like that's a Pokemon token. On the other side, that is definitely a Pokemon. I can't remember the name of this one, it's one of the newer ones, but I'm assuming this is the kind of thing you use in the Pokemon card game itself. You always have like a token to flip. That's too cute. And we also have a heck of a lot of Pokemon stickers. I love stickers. And they're stickers as well from my generation of Pokemon, like the first few episodes that appeared on screen. Oh, hang on one second, let me just have a look at these. Oh, how fabulous. Hang on, I'll show you the first few. But yeah, as you can see, these are definitely these are from the first episode, I think, because there was a whole Spearow attack, wasn't there? Oh, Team Rocket. Oh, I love Team Rocket. I mean, look at James. Look at Jessie for that matter. God damn. I need to do a makeup tutorial for them. I love them. Oh, Venomoth. Rattata. Oh my god, there's Team Rocket and a little meow balloon. Oh, that's fantastic. I'm going to find somewhere to stick these immediately. Thank you. I'm going to put them on my laptop, actually. Oh, bless you. Thank you so much, Linda. You're very sweet. Okie dokie. Next, we have this letter which says it's from France. Doesn't say much else, but you can just about see that there. Yay. And in here we have... Oh, hang on. A rather posh and formal typed letter. So it says, Charlie, I'm French. I love your videos. They make me laugh. I would like to have your talent for makeup. No, that's sweet of you to say. Thank you. I would have liked to give you a real gift, but I do not have much money. Oh, don't. Always that breaks my heart when people say that. I say in every video, you don't have to send me any gifts or anything. You haven't got to send me a letter. I mean, I love it when you guys do, but I love it just as much when you guys send me a letter or drawing or anything like that. So I offer you what I have, a drawing. I hope you like it. See, now that's a gift. That is a gift, and I'm going to love it. I know I am. I love your Let's Play of Franbo. So this is the subject of my drawing. I played Franbo on my gaming channel, and it's a fantastic game. I love it. Proper inspiring and thought-provoking game. If you like this game, there are several that you should test. Alice Madness Returns and The Evil Within. These are two absolutely great games. I will definitely check them out. I think I've heard of them before, so they could be fun. So this is from, is it Valley? I'm really sorry if I'm pronouncing your name wrong. Okay, so let's have a look. So the drawing you sent me, that's really clever. It's drawn on the computer. So it's me when I had green hair, which you guys know I'm going to have green hair again super soon anyway. I love swapping between blue and green, it's fun. Picture of me protecting Fran, like from Fran Bow from the game. Oh, that's so clever. I love that. Thank you so much. It's nice to have art that comes from like my gaming channel as well, because I've not got much gaming channel stuff on my backdrop, so that would be really nice to add to it. So thank you so much. The next layer we have is from Dakota. So I'm just going to quickly cover the address there so you can see that in a super pretty envelope. And let's have a looky. So, okay, so we have fan art and a letter, okay. So letter says, "Hi Charlie, my name is Dakota and I love your videos. I sometimes show my mum your Disney type makeups, or I'll show her ones that I think that she'll like. I always look forward to your next video. I also think that you are really funny. Love, Dakota. P.S. You will always be my favourite makeup artist." Oh, Dakota, you're so sweet, thank you. Oh. And we have some artwork, which, oh, yay. Okay, this is one of my more fun makeups that I did. It was super simple and I really love doing it. What did I call it? It was Punk Jester, I think I called it, something like that. Oh, Dakota, that is fantastic. Thank you. I'm going to get that added straight to my backdrop immediately. Thank you. I really love those glasses. Okay, next we have this, which I don't know where this is from. Okay, so I'll just cover this bit here. But yeah, you can see that's a massive parcel. Okay, let's have a look. So I don't want to shake it too much, but you can hear something in there. I don't want to break it. Oh my God. What if it's a puppy? No. Oh God. Why did I say that? No, no. Oh God. So let's have a look. Okay, so we have, here we are. Okay, so on top is just the address again in case they sent it like this. So, oh, on the bottom. Okay, so this is from, okay, so it's from England and it's from someone called Harry. So it's a beautiful box. I don't know if it's from this place or if it's the box they're using, but let's have a look. I'm really intrigued. Let's be really careful here. Okay, oh, there we go, got it, right, ready? Ooh, there we go, right. And straight away we have a Pokemon tin. Oh, you didn't, Harry, you silly sausage. You didn't have to... Okay, I'll show you this in just a second, because there's a letter at the bottom. I want to read this first. Okay, so to Charlie Short, open me. Okay, so we have this, which is going to be hopefully the letter explaining everything. So let's open that. Okay, so, dear Charlie, I'm sending you some Pokemon cards, and I was hoping to ask you a question. The question is, can we do a Halloween collab of Jeff the Killer, Normal, and Jeff the Killer Asylum Edition? If we do this collab, I will bring my other half to film. I will speak to her. Can you put this in your PO box? Yeah, there we go. My other half says hello, and they started watching your videos. She likes the Babadook tutorial. Oh, bless you. Thank you. Best wishes, Harry and Laura, if I'm reading that correct. Oh, bless you. You're both very, very sweet. In terms of a collaboration, though, what you might have noticed is I've not done a collaboration for a very, very, very long time. The reason for that is every time I did a collaboration, I was always terrified I would let someone down because I tend to be the last person to like submit my look because I procrastinate a lot, as you guys know. So as it is currently, I'm not doing collaborations, but I definitely will be in the future. I've got a very long list of people I want to eventually collaborate with. So watch this space. And we've also got this rather beautiful looking box, which is what I opened and saw initially. Just check that out. Look at that. It's a beautiful Pokemon tin. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? And it's got all the Pokemon that I know on it. Yay. Not the new generation ones, which I still love, but that's gorgeous. I'm going to keep loads of my Pokemon cards in this, I think. Let's have a look. So in here we have, oh my God, loads of Pokemon cards. Oh wow, hello. Oh blimey, you didn't have to send me this many. Oh my God, there's loads of them. Just to give you an idea, look at that. Oh bless your heart, thank you so much. Oh my God. Okay, so I can't show you guys all of them on camera because there are just so many, but I'll show you a few favourite ones. It's nice because a lot of these are like from my the first generation, like the ones I used to collect. But yeah, I'll just show you these. Oh bless you, didn't have to send me the shiny ones, but oh, look at them. Oh wow, look at the Meowth. Oh blimey, oh hello. That is one sassy looking Meowth. Check that out. I am well and truly spoiled. Thank you so much. Yay! Okie dokie, so the next letter we have is from Sophia, with much love for you, Charlie. Okay, so I'm just about to show you that to cover up the addresses. Okay, so I thought I recognised this name. Okay, so I have actually opened this before. I don't think I've opened it on video though. I remember putting this back into the pile now just in case, because I wasn't sure if I'd included it in a video or not, so I just wanted to double check. So I apologise if I've shown this already, but I did just want to show it again just in case. I get so much fan art, which again I'm so incredibly grateful for, but every now and again one letter might accidentally get mixed back up again with the pile that I've not actually read yet, and I just, rather than just put it to one side and say, yeah, I think I've read that, I would rather just double check and double back on myself and make sure you guys have seen it, rather than the off chance that I might not have, if that makes sense. I just want everyone to have a fair chance to be shown in the video. Okay, so I'll read the letter again. So this is from Sophie to me. So, hey Charlie, I'm 15 years old. I can't explain how beautiful and amazing you are. I'm really not. That's very sweet of you to say. Every time when I watch your videos, I'm so happy. My first video I have watched from you was the old Pennywise makeup tutorial. After that, I was knowing that you are my favourite YouTuber. You're an amazing and so lovely person. Don't stop being so great, Charlie. You are so sweet. Bless your heart. I'll just show you the letter here. Isn't that so sweet? Thank you, Sophia. Okay, so the first bit of fan art we've got here, I'll show you guys there. So it's the Pennywise makeup that I did, and you can see Laughing Jack and the Insidious Demon and the Conjuring Nun. Love it. And then we've got a fantastic drawing of me in, I love that, my Foster's Home for Imaginary Friends shirt. You guys, I love my t-shirts. I love my character t-shirts, and my Foster's Home for Imaginary Friends t-shirts are by far one of my favourites. But I love that, thank you. But I'm going to get these added straight to my backdrop immediately after this video. And the last one we have is I love your sneezes. Stay fantastic, Charlie. Oh, that's me. Oh, what's it say? Charlie and Graham, you both are so cute together. Oh, bless you. Thank you. And what's that say? My personal makeup rainbow. Oh. Oh, that's me in my unicorn hat. I love that hat so much. I got that in Vegas a couple of years ago, I think. And you've also included these, which I remember thinking at the time, these are so unusual and I love it. I love stuff like this. Hang on, let me just have a look here. So we've got these little tiny packets, which you can just about make out there, I think. So for you, another one here that says for you, and this one here, another one for you. And inside these packets is these little dudes. They're unusual, I love it. I don't know what they're, like little ghosts, like Pac-Man ghosts with attitude. So we've got that one. Hang on, I'll get them all out so you can have a look. So there's 3 of them. Hang on. They've got little suction cup feet, so I think you can sit them up somewhere. But yeah, you can just about see them there. They're like little monsters. You can kind of see them, yeah. They're sweet. So, Sophia, thank you so much for thinking of me and sending me your lovely fan art and your lovely presents. I really appreciate them. They're adorable and they're totally unique. I've never seen these before, so I'm going to stick these right next to my monitor. I think they're fantastic. Okay, next we have something from Kiara, if I'm pronouncing that right. I'll just try and cover up your address there. Yay. Okay, so Kiara has sent, let's have a look. So a letter that says, PinkStylist, I'm writing this because I want you to know that you've done a good job in making your makeup tutorials. Plus my only talent is art, and sorry if the diamond pattern is all messed up. I'm assuming that's what we're going to see here. P.S. The small gift I gave is a pom-pom. I hope you like it, the pom-pom and the drawing. Okay, so I'm assuming that's, yeah, okay, so that's about what we've got here. Okie dokie, so let's have a look. So, oh wow. Oh, that's fantastic. Oh, I love that. That was, oh my, I love doing this. This was my Smiling Mime, I think, but this is so fabulous. Check that out, and I love the pom-pom. That's adorable. Thank you so much. I'm going to get that added to my backdrop immediately. I love it. You are definitely talented. Thank you so much. Okay, so the very last thing we have here is this massive box from Australia, which I know how expensive it is to post from Australia into Australia, so you didn't have to send me something this massive, but that's very kind of you to do so. I think I can show you most of this without giving the address away, but yeah, hello. Look how massive that is. Oh, blimey, I really don't deserve stuff like this, but let's have a look. So, hang on, see if I can open this. It's proper wrapped really well, like proper watertight even. Let's have a look. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I think I'm into it now, possibly. Maybe not. Okay. Okie dokie, so we have, boom. Let's have a see. So more packaging. And again, I suppose it's from halfway across the world, so I'd imagine it needs packing, doesn't it? Okay, let's have a look. So, hang on, this is a bit difficult to show. This box is being really unruly, but you can see this orange wrapping paper here. Okay, so what we have in the box is this rather beautifully decorated box. But just try and move the ribbon. There you go. Okay, so it's got this ribbon that goes in the middle. It's got my name on the front there. Rather lovely. Thank you. And I don't want to take the ribbon off. Let's see if I can take it off gently. I don't want to ruin the box. It's too pretty. But you can see it there. Yay. So I'm just going to open the box, have a look. Okay, so in the box we've got, oh, it's so sweet. Okay, so I'll show you in just 2 seconds because I want to read the letter first. But we've got basically a really nice sweet gift package, so let's have a look. So for Pinky, we've got a little note here. Okay, so dear Pinky, my name is Zoe and I'm 11. I love pink and the PinkStylist channel and most of all DIY. I got you a little puff that needs a home. Okay. I love your videos and they make me laugh every time. Sadly, I cannot subscribe yet or like. I do not have an account on YouTube. Although it's really fun. Oh, bless your heart. It's just lovely that you watch my videos. I love that you show your own self every time and it makes me want to do the same. I live in Adelaide and I love, love, love cats, and I'm watching your makeup videos right now. You are doing an Annabelle doll. Please can you do a biomanic cat or a zombie cat or anything to do with cats? Mainly the one I underlined, so they want me to do a zombie cat. That's fair enough, that sounds fun. Thank you for reading, Zoe. Thanks, bye. Oh, Zoe, you sweetheart. So Zoe has sent me this rather beautiful looking gift pack, right? So we've got, hang on, let's have a look. So this is the little puff that Zoe was talking about, and I'm going to cherish this. Look. Look. Oh my god, it's like a more fabulous soot sprite from Studio Ghibli. Look at that. Oh, I love. Okay, and we've got a Hello Kitty eraser, pencil, ruler and sharpness set. Oh, thank you so much. You know how much I love Hello Kitty. Thank you. And we've also got this really cute little sign that's got a kitty attached to it. Look at that. Isn't that wonderful? Hopefully my camera's picking it up. It's just a really cute kitty and a little sign that says PinkStylist on it. I love that. I'm going to hang that on my office door. I love that. And last but not least, we have me as a kitty with green hair, and that's adorable. Oh, that's so cute. That's going to look right at home in my backdrop. So thank you so much, Zoe, for my lovely presents. You really didn't need to send me all this stuff, but I'm so grateful, thank you. I'm proper all smiles now. My cheeks always hurt so much at the end of these videos, which is not a bad thing. It's just, oh, aren't I lucky? Okie dokie, so on that note, I probably should end this video now because I think it's way longer than it needs to be, so I apologise for that. I tend to get carried away in these PO Box videos. You guys know how it is. But thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you everyone in this video that sent me all your lovely posts. You really didn't have to do that. And thank you anyone out there that's ever sent me anything. I really, really, really do love getting posts from you guys. I will say it again though, please don't get upset if your letter or whatever it is you've sent me hasn't appeared in a video yet. As I said, I plan on doing these videos for a very long time in the future, so there's a strong chance that your letter or parcel or whatever you sent will appear in a video in the future. So once again, I will pop my PO Box address on the screen now if you did want to send me anything, even if it's just a letter or a postcard or anything at all. Either way, anything you send makes me happy. So yeah, thanks so much for watching guys. Until next PO Box video, yeah. Bye guys!